y'all, hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. I hope y'all are having a good day. It's Friday. Woohoo! Are y'all excited? I am. I'm having me, I don't know if y'all have ever tried these. It's Mountain Dew Kickstarts. They're kind of between a Mountain Dew and a Red Bull, I think. So it's supposed to be two. I'm trying to find out how much caffeine. Yeah, 45 milligrams in 8 ounces. That's a little bit more. I think a Mountain Dew has around 41 or something. I'm not sure, something like that. So, but it don't have as much as a Red Bull. So, but I like them. The only size I can get is these big 16 ounce. So, but anyhow, that's what I've got in my glass. All right, y'all. There's people passing, going by my door here, setting my alarms off. All right, y'all. I've got my Boxy charm here. I've had it about a week, so things has just been crazy. Right here, got some really good stuff in it, y'all. I'm gonna set this here. The one thing that I really like is this Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, and it is called Marvelous Mauves. If I got too much of a glare on my glasses, y'all, but that's it right there. And it comes with a nice little double-ended brush, and then there's the colors. They're all mattes. They're all matte. There's no shimmer or anything in them. But I like that. I love those colors. But it is, let me see what the colors are. Wine Stained is the darkest, Spaced Out, Wishy Washy, Rosy, and Fluffy. Those are the colors there. And then we got a pack of Cleansing Spa Water. Contains natural herbal essence. Let's see. I've never heard of these before, y'all. They're natural. It just says uses spa water. They're oil-free, mildly acidic. Okay. They're calling them there's 10 cloths, cleansing water cloth makeup remover. So there's those. There's 10 of them in there. I haven't tried those yet. I'll give them a shot here. I also got some lip plumping lip gloss by Iconic. And I don't know what the color is. Iconic London. After Dark, I guess is what it's called. So, but it is it's really just a high shine formula. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it doesn't have much color, but it's got a lot of shine to it. And then we have a lip liner pencil in the color Dark Natural. And there's it right there. So, and then we also have Touch and Soul. It's called Glassy. And let's see, this is a ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And there's that. Let's see, I'm kind of wondering, how do I open this? Okay, there we go. This is the top. Because the way it was, when I was unscrewing it, it was kind of like, which way do I do this? So, but that's kind of what it looks like there. But It is real smooth, y'all. So, yeah, okay. I love trying new primers and stuff like that. Sometimes you can have, I know there's been times where I've had a foundation that just didn't work for me, and I could use a good primer under it, and it helped. So, but y'all, that's my Boxy charm for the month of October. So, and I have got my empties sitting here at my feet, so I am fixing to close this video out and then do my empties because there's not room for one more thing in there. So, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.